Hello everybody, this is the week 1 update video for algebra in online the fall of 2012. Been very happy with the progress I've seen so far. Many people have taken the syllabus quiz. I've even talked to many people on the phone already, so thank you for those of you that have gotten out and already done those things. Remember to go into course content, and under course content to go into the Start Here folder to go through everything you're going to need as far as the syllabus quiz, introducing yourself in the discussion board, and how to get registered on Alex. Also, make sure under course content you go to projects, and the first project is out there. Remember, whenever you go into the projects, click on the name of the project, and then you can attach it and submit it there. So obviously they're Word documents, so I would suggest downloading the Word document and then modifying it and then editing it and then attaching it there. So make sure you get a look at that. September 13th is when the first submission needs to be done, so you got a few weeks to get your first draft done, and obviously you can revamp those to get full credit if you don't get that the first time, and I'll give you feedback on those. One question on the syllabus quiz I've seen a lot of you may put down a time for me to call you, but sometimes you forget the phone number, so please put a phone number on there if you didn't do so, and you can redo that syllabus quiz over and over to get 100% as well. So I'll be making a lot of phone calls this week. We will have our first online office hour Tuesday night at 9 p.m. and I put the link in the weekly update, but remember it's always in the course calendar. So if you go in the course calendar, you can find the link to the Tuesday night online office hours. And if you ever want to watch the recording of those, you just go back and click on these links as well. So hopefully we'll see many of you. You'll be able to see me on my webcam and hear me, and mostly students chat. We'll have a whiteboard, and you can bring questions from Alex or the projects or whatever we're doing into that session, and there may be students from statistics and algebra and other things. That's okay. We'll just take turns going through everybody's questions, or you can just kind of hang out and listen. Remember, you do get points for attending at least one online office hour early in the course, so I encourage you to come to the Tuesday night one. And then after Labor Day, the people that have not been able to attend that Tuesday after Labor Day, I'll be setting up a few specific ones to catch the other people that it doesn't fit in their schedules. So if you can make it Tuesday night at 9, that's great. Even for just a little bit, you can bop in even at 9:30 or 9:45, and it'll be fine. So just want you to see the system and know that it exists. So if you hit something you're not sure about, that we could meet and do a one-on-one tutoring session if you'd like. So this week is really about getting totally going. Make sure you do the syllabus quiz. Make sure you do the initial assessment in Alex. So I've had a few questions about the Alex assessment. So when you go into Alex, you hit the reports tab. It'll show you how many hours you've worked over the last week. And we go from Thursday, essentially Friday morning at 12:01 to Thursday at 11:59 p.m. And you got to get 4 hours in by this Friday, or this Thursday at 11:59 p.m., the 30th of August. So you got to get those done. And you can always check that on Alex by clicking the time and topic tab. Again, your percent mastery, the first time percent mastery, as you can see here, will be assessed on the 21st, and you need to have 30%. I've seen a few people that test out at 3% initially, and some that test out at 50 or 60% initially, and that just kind of represents the diversity of the class, which is fine because this class is designed to help you where you're at. But I give you these learning goals, these percentage goals of mastery throughout the course to help encourage you to put additional time if needed and to try to master all the concepts of the course. So obviously we'll talk more about that as we get closer to week 4, but right here in week 1, syllabus quiz, get going on Alex, get a phone call with me, and start looking at project 1 if you could. So have a great week, and email me or call me if you have any questions. Thanks.